template for new design. Okay. And the first thing you're going to want to do is edit your return address, because this will be copied on all of your envelopes. So you can say my new last name will be Johnson and 10 something street. And now you're going to want to copy this envelope, duplicate page, and you can keep clicking for as many addresses as you have. So now you can fill in your first guest address. So Cynthia Rottenberry, and I'll speed this up. So to export these to print, you want to go up to the right corner that says share, the button, and go to click download, and then choose PDF print. And for color profile, choose CMYK, and then download. And so this is going to download these to your computer as one big PDF. My best advice for Mac users, open up the file within Finder. So go to your downloads and then open up this file here. And this opens that up into preview. So make sure preview is shown here, and then file, print. And I'm selecting my HP printer that you've seen in a lot of videos of mine. Black and white, not two-sided. Paper size, this is important. You will have a list of sizes that probably won't include the size of your envelope. You need to go down to manage custom sizes. You'll click the plus sign to add a new custom paper size and title it 5x7 envelope. And then the actual dimensions of a 5x7 envelope are slightly larger than 5x7 actually, because it needs to fit a 5x7 card inside. So my envelopes are generally 5.25 by 7.25, so you need to measure your envelope, or if you don't have a tape measure, which I can never find one in my house, you can go to wherever you bought your envelopes, like Amazon, and they usually have the actual dimensions in the product description. The next important piece is scale of 100%. You want it to be the scale of 100%, otherwise it may print off-centered. Okay, now we're coming over to our printer. The first thing you do is open up your bottom tray of your printer. Take out your paper. Side note, a lot of people always say, oh, you can use the manual feed right here. No, because this only takes one envelope at a time, and also for me it jams. So on my printer, which is also linked in my Amazon storefront. Okay, we're gonna take our envelopes with the flap on this side, because that's the orientation that this printer prints. And then pull these little tabs, I can't really do it with one hand very easily, and fit it around your envelope, and then push it in. Now you're gonna actually click print after you had set up your printer to print that way. On my printer, it might pop up with a message that says tray to any size, and you just hit OK. So here's the first one. So there you are. Here are your new envelopes that you've printed. Definitely choose a lighter color than dark burgundy if you're printing black ink, as most people do. This is a brand new YouTube channel, and I'm planning to do more of these longer form tutorial style videos. So if you could like and subscribe to my account, that would be great. Thank you.